Hey guys, this is Mr. Wood, and I am going to give you a quick little tutorial on how to donate to Building a Better World Scholarship. First, this is our 2021 winners. Sully Seawald's going to the University of Michigan. Ryan Fry is going to the University of Michigan. And Monica Whipple will be off to MCC for 2 years on the Promise and then on to bigger and better things. And so this year's donations will go to these three gals. Let's talk about how you donate. First of all, just a brief overview on our scholarship. We have been around since 2003, that first year, three $300 scholarships. Me, my mom, and a bunch of teachers got together and we put together $900 to spread out among three winners. Since then, we have raised $90,000 for 61 winners, all graduating Oak Ridge seniors, college scholarships and trips around the world, everywhere from China to Africa to the Philippines to Big Sky Country out in Montana. It's a good thing, guys. It's a good thing, and we are so supportive of your help to make it work. It's a grassroots effort. It's a totally grassroots effort. I don't know of a scholarship in the world that survives on everything from 10 to 20 to 50 to 100 to $300 donations. Each year we try to round up about 150 people to donate. This is grassroots as you can get. So how do you donate? Well, of course, there's always cash or check. Boom and boom. Just drop it off at the high school and it will make its way to me, Bob Wood. So I'm kind of like, I'm on the board of directors and I kind of handle a lot of the PR stuff with this. Another way to donate, is easiest way probably, is right online through PayPal. It's a secured location. It's, like I said, it's a 501c3 organization and it is tax deductible. You can put it right in there on the website. And the website is buildingabetterworld.net, which you probably got this video from. And then finally, this year we've tossed Venmo into the mix as well. A lot of people like Venmo, so we aim to please. 616-402-8668, Bob Wood, BBW. All of it, tax deductible, all of it, going to our winners. This year, you know, maybe the best thing about the scholarship and the donations is that 34 past recipients, 34 past winners donated in 2020. Is that cool? 34. Everywhere from $5 to $10 to $20 to $100 to $200, $250 even for some of the older guys. And that's really cool. Paying it forward. This year's winners, 10 grand. That's our goal for 2021. It will go again to these three lovely ladies who are headed out into the world to create a better planet. And I have no doubt that each of them in their own way will do just that. So please join us. Please join us in helping them to make their dreams become a reality. Gracias. Muchas gracias.